Okay guys, you're in a nutshell with me, Ina. Maikli lang tong episode na ito. I just wanted to address some concerns, some questions about the Caregiver PR on Arrival program. Okay, kumakalat po ngayon sa ilang mga sa Facebook, okay, sa social media. Ang sinasabi, umano, sarado na daw permanently itong Caregiver PR on Arrival program. Dalawang streams po dyan meron. Okay, sarado na raw yan permanently for applicants outside Canada. Umano. Okay, guys, pag nakakakita kayo ng ganyan mga announcement, mga sinishare, it's still best to go to the official source and verify kung tama po yan. Okay? Actually, meron pong isang nag-comment sa episode ko yesterday or 2 days ago. Yan din po ang kanyang nire-request na baka daw pwede kong pag-usapan. Ito po yung kanyang comment, no? Si maybe some. Okay? Meron siyang parang kinopy-paste na, I assume this is a post from social media, no? Sabi ng post, Canada closes permanent residence pathway for caregivers abroad. Ang sabi dito, IRCC has closed the permanent residence pathway for caregivers outside the country, outside or under its home care worker immigration pilots. At the launch of the program kasi, the program was divided into the home support and childcare options, with both expected to include opportunities for workers outside Canada. Ibig sabihin, may pagkakataon talaga sana, no? May pagkakataon talaga na mag-apply yung mga wala dito sa Canada. O, sige, balik ko. Despite early assurances that more details would follow, the intake for international applicants never materialized and has now been permanently closed. According to this post. Hindi ako yan, hindi yan official, according to that comment. Sabi nung last line, Miss Ina, ito yung itopic ko daw next. No? Actually, nireplyan ko na po siya. Thank you, by the way, kay Maybe Sam. Siya po ang unang nag-alerto sa akin ng concern na yan. Sinagot ko na siya doon. Ano bang ginawa ko? Siyempre, no? At that time when she commented, by the way, wala pa akong nakikitang ganyang balita from the usual websites that I monitor, from any of the consultants that I follow. Wala po akong nakikitang ganyan. So, anong ginawa ko? Aba, edi pumunta ako sa official source. Okay, ganyan po dapat tayong lahat, Wag lang tayo mag-rely sa mga nababasa natin na kung ano-anong website. Kahit dito sa aking channel, i-double check nyo pa rin lagi lahat ng sinasabi ko. Okay, that's best. So, sige ngayon, I will show you what it says dito sa website. In short, guys, sasabihin ko na ngayon, no, it has not been announced. Wala pong announcement na hindi na po tatanggap ng applicants from outside Canada. Sige, ito nandito ako sa website ng canada.ca. Ito yung sinasabi dun sa comment section na home care worker immigration pilots. Dalawa po yan, yung 2 pilots. Childcare, yung nabanggit din kanina, and home support. Pwedeng applyan yan. Both pilots, both programs, may pagkakataon, tama yung pinost, no? Sinabi naman nung umpisa, may pagkakataon ang mga wala sa Canada na mag-apply dito. This is PR on Arrival program, guys. No? Ngayon, yung mga nag-share sa Facebook o kung saan-saan pang social media na nagsasabing sarado na daw, hindi na daw tatanggap ng mga applicants from outside Canada. Itong bahagi po ang kanilang hina-highlight. Yan, ito, status, tinan mo yung naka-highlight na blue, status workers in Canada, full na for 2025. Applicants not working in Canada, closed. Okay. Ito yan, actually, screen grab ko pa, no? Ito lang ang pinapakita nila sa kanilang mga sinishare. Kaya nila nasabing, sarado na daw. Okay, guys. Ito ang kahalagahan ng pagbabasa, pagpupunta sa official sources. Okay? So, tatanggalin ko na ito. Ito, applicants not working in Canada closed. Number 1, noon pa man, it was made clear that the applicants na nasa labas ng Canada, 2027 pa po sila talaga papayagang mag-apply. Yung intake for them will happen in 2027. Inuuna po talaga muna yung mga nasa loob na ng Canada. Ngayon, basahin nyo lang to guys. So, nakasulat nga dito. Each pilot has 2 application streams. Diba? Ito nga yan. Yung mga working in Canada and applicants not working in Canada. Basahin ninyo na mabuti. We're currently only accepting applications for the workers in Canada stream. The stream for applicants not working in Canada will open at a later date. So, sa totoo lang, I don't think there's anything new. Okay? Walang bago. Mukhang ganun pa din. Kasi tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, the original plan has always been na sa 2027 pa, kukuha ng mga aplikante from outside Canada. Okay, so no, it's not true. At least not right now as of recording this episode. Today is October 2, 2025. Okay, napakadali guys, no? I-verify nyo. Ayun, no, klarong-klaro. Hindi pa naman siguro ganun kasama ang aking comprehension, pero klaro naman sa akin, diba? The stream for applicants not working in Canada will open at a later date. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this part has always been like this. Close talaga yan. Kasi nga close talaga siya. Kasi nga yung mga in Canada applicants nga lang ang inuuna. Ano ba ito? Paulit-ulit ako, no? Okay. Unfortunately kasi guys, meron pong usually na isang reliable website patungkol sa Canadian immigration. Ang nag-upload ng article na sinasabing sinarado daw talaga ng Canada yung pathway to PR for caregivers outside Canada. Unfortunately, I don't think that is accurate. Okay, so I am here to dispute that. Okay? Oh, by the way, syempre, kinonsulta ko rin yung ating suking consultant na alam nating napakagaling sa mga caregiver applications, si Ms. Geraldine Vallarayil ng GHB Immigration. Sabi niya, siya din daw may nagtanong sa kanya niyan kahapon. So, verify din niya and we share the same analysis na hindi, talagang ganun. Nothing has changed. Okay, nothing has changed. It will still, right now, open at a later date. Okay, open at a later date. Okay, and by the way, may update din pala tayo sa mga, caregiver applicants na nag-submit nung nakaraang intake nung March. According to Ms. G, at least for her clients, nung September 30 raw po, nako, good news guys, may movement na kahit papano sa ilan. Nakatanggap daw, teka, let me read Ms. G's message to me para hindi ako magkamali, no? Hold on. Yan, nung September 30, naka-receive na raw ng AOR and biometrics instructions ang dalawa sa kanyang mga na-i-lodge na applications. O, at least there's movement. O, diba? Balitaan nyo ako, baka meron po sa inyong ilan dyan na nakakuha rin ng similar good news. Put them down there in the comment section. So, yun. O, yan na po ang update natin. Okay. Right now, yung mga nasa labas ng, para akong sirang plaka, yung mga nasa labas ng Canada na umaasang makapag-apply dito po sa Caregiver PR on Arrival program, hindi pa po sarado yan. Okay, it will open for you guys at a later date according to IRCC. So, hindi po totoo yung mga nagsasabing sinarado na ng Canada yung programa para sa inyo. Inuuna lang po yung mga nandito na. Okay, I don't know how many times I need to say it. Anyway, okay, that is it. Short but sweet. Sabi ko sa inyo, clarify lang natin yan. Okay, I'll end this episode here. See you guys in the next one. Bye!